Hi guys, I'm Elder from CHeKT, and one of our main brands that we use for networks, door access cameras, and IP phones is Ubiquiti with their UniFi system. During these 4 years that we started using Ubiquiti, there's lots of tips and tricks through these years that we learned. There's some of them that I really would like to share with you guys. One is adopt, program, update, do whatever you have to do on the floor first before deploying anything. That will help you troubleshoot in the future, like cabling issues or stuff that happens during your installation. First of all is getting to know that everything works before you deploy them on site. So the reason why I suggest doing that, it's really interesting because imagine that you have a team of installers. You're on the back side of things, programming and adopting, and your team is installing cameras. As soon as you install a camera on the Ubiquiti side, it shows up for adoption. And once you click on adoption, right away if there's an update to do, it will go and update. Now imagine if your coworker doesn't know what's happening on the background and he decides to move the cable around during the update. Now you can have a default device like a camera, and if you don't have no more on site, now that's really bad. So I would suggest in that case, just do everything by the console first, adopt it, program it, update it, do whatever you have to do with it before deploying it on the field. That's what's really important. On the second aspect, learning is a really important task. Certifications, training. Ubiquiti provides their own certifications for full stack equipment, for wireless administrator, and even for routing, switching, and cybersecurity. I already took all three of them, and I'm really glad I did because I learned a lot. Their training personnel is really excellent, and not only that, you get to meet people that are in the field as well installing this equipment. There's friendship that can happen, and there's knowledge that can be shared. That's really good. For the third note, I would say that in today's days that cameras, security cameras, is not a security camera no more. It's a computer device, it's a network device. So it has to be treated as a network device. There's a lot of things to go through it and security measures to be put on your network as well. You don't want to have cables on your field or on your building that somebody can tap in and risk your network or your information. Getting to know how those products work and having the ability to do some stuff in the background. Like Ubiquiti provides a very beautiful user interface, but sometimes you will need to do an SSH connection and do an update firmware manually. Get to know that aspect of how to do that. One day you might need it, and it's going to be tricky to learn it on the spot. It's really important to know how you can troubleshoot stuff and go over it. So learn it first, so you don't have surprises. In this case, we use what Ubiquiti offered us, the alarm manager. With the alarm manager, we can use triggers from the AI features of the cameras or webhooks or anything that's possible. You can go on the site manager and see what it's available to use. And what we did was we did a deep dive to see what tools were available to achieve the video monitoring over here. We had webhooks. Now on the market, there's nothing to do webhooks for that. You might be asking what's a webhook? It's just a simple link that you go on your browser and it does something. That's it. If you provide that link for the alarm manager, what it does is once it sees the camera sees a person, it will do a task of going to that website. That's the only thing it does. What we created over here was a device with a web server that once it receives that request, that website request, it triggers a relay that will trigger the alarm on the CHeKT bridge. That's how we overcame, was seeing what the product was giving us, like what's the features that the product we can use, think about it and find a solution and implement it. So as you can see, we're on the construction side, noise is everywhere. I'll try to do my best to bring my voice up a little bit so you can hear me better. We were here today with Pipl Systems, a beautiful channel that will give you insights about security and hardware, equipment, software from all different brands. You should like and subscribe to the channel and check their videos. They're awesome people. Besides that, if you have more information that you need about this site that we constructed and the integration we did, go see the video that Pipl Systems did on this case study with us. And don't forget, at CHeKT, we're different from everybody else. We try to see the problems that the client has and provide the solution best in the market. Even if we have to think, if we have to design, if we have to implement different technology that's not available. We do from networks, from security systems, alarms, cameras, door access, phone systems, automations, door operators, you name it. We're here to find you a solution for your needs. There's a phrase that I like a lot that goes, if you pull the right strings, you can make it any puppet dance. That's where you bring knowledge. Once you have knowledge of the product that you install and you use every day, that's the best you can have. You can make everything with it. Like Chuck from Let's Talk Cable says all the time, knowledge is power.